Welcome, aspiring heroes. Today, we're diving into the rich and immersive world of Bannerlord. Ready to embark on your journey? Let's begin with character creation. Choose your culture wisely, as it impacts your playstyle. Don't forget to allocate your attributes and skills for an effective start. Understanding the map is crucial. Familiarize yourself with key locations like cities and villages to thrive in this world. Combat can be challenging but rewarding. Engage with enemies wisely and practice your skills to dominate the battlefield. Trading is a vital part of Bannerlord. Learn the mechanics and discover profitable strategies to build your wealth. Your army is your strength. Recruit and manage troops effectively to lead successful campaigns. Quests provide crucial experience and rewards. Seek them out and complete tasks to grow stronger. Diplomacy can change the tides of war. Build relationships and interact strategically with other factions. Leveling up is critical. Focus on skill progression that aligns with your playstyle and future abilities. That's a wrap, adventurers. We hope these tips help you as you explore the vast world of Bannerlord. Adventure awaits.